Yes, so I sat down and asked myself, what if we could eliminate scams in the trading market entirely and create the trading ecosystem to be a very free, trustworthy space that all of us can get to learn and benefit from? This is what today's video is gonna be all about. I created a platform for the last like 9 months, and the aim of this platform is to just create a very safe ecosystem for traders to be able to interact, get trading services, and yeah, make everything public. And let's just get straight into the video so that you guys will know what I'm talking about. So you just come to your Google and type in Tradewell. So after typing in Treadwell, you'll get this first platform over here. You see, click on it, the one that says treadwell.live. Once you click on it, you'll come across our landing page. You can go through it to see everything that we are doing. And yeah, so let's just get started. Okay, so you could either come sign in or sign up. All right. So I'm just gonna sign in quick fast, sign up quick fast, and then we get to demo what the platform is all about. And then you guys can obviously give your feedback, and I'm trying to do a validation to see if this is something that is viable or something that you guys think um, will make something significant in the trading space. All right, so let me just create and say that my name is Zach Lula, and then I could proceed to say my name is Zach23 maybe. All right, and then let me use the email for the account that I'm on right now. So yeah, that's it. Then obviously click on next. All right, so I see that the code has been sent here, so I'll just go to my inbox and then try to find that out. Trying to get the code. So looks like our email has not yet been delivered. Let me try refreshing. Oh yeah, it came. So this is our code. All right, come press it here, click verify, and then I'll just come and input my birth year and month. So let me just say something like this. Doesn't have to be correct really, but just that age range, because I'm obviously doing a demo. Okay, then next I'll agree to the terms and conditions. Of course, you can click and read about them. So let me just input a password. All right, and then I'll create an account. Okay, so here's a few things I could come and do. All right, so let me just use some so with that, go to here and then here, and then yeah, let me use our logo for example as my, just for now. Then you could tell us some brief details about yourself, of course. So aspiring trader, or let's just say market killer. Okay, yeah, so you could come there. For me, I'll say Nairobi, Kenya. Then I'll say I'm an intraday stock swing trade. Of course, there's some few things I'm gonna improve, like for experience, we are not just going to let you tell us years. We'll let you tell us the year you started trading so that we can be keeping count. Okay, how many years have you been trading so far since you began? Okay, so that every year you don't have to be updating on your profile that you've now been trading for 5 years, 6 years. The system will just auto calculate based on your starting year. All right, so for now, I'll just say like 5 years, for example. And then continue. So this is an overview of how the profile is gonna appear. So I'll click enter trader. Right. So the profile has been set up. So now when you come here, you're gonna access the feed, basically the platform. Okay. So as you can see, there's this side where you can come and search. For example, let me just try to search something there. All right, so you see the results that come, and then you can see users that have been suggested for you, those that already exist, and the one that you're actually looking for. So it's gonna look for the username or the name and then give you relevant results. You can scroll down the feed and basically just see what people are posting there. All right, and then you could like post, of course. You could also just click and maybe try to come and comment, all right, or like somebody's comment. Basically a social feed where we can all just share, everything all about trading. As you scroll, you're gonna meet or you're gonna find other traders, so you're gonna follow the ones that you wanna follow, of course. Okay, sorry about that. um yeah, and that's basically it about the feed. You could also post whatever you want to post, whatever you want to share with people, be it media, captions, all of that. You can do that for now. That is what we support. And you could still try to find more people here that you can follow. Okay. Of which I suggest that you people join. Let's try to see if this idea can work and if it will work. All right. So apart from that, when you expand here, you can see your notifications from here. You could also chat with our AI assistant that will be able to guide you through how to use our platform. I don't know why it hasn't loaded yet, but she'll be loading anytime soon. So there's gonna be a section for the accounts overview. You'll basically be able to link your MT4, MT5 accounts and be able to see whatever you wanna see. Basically journals. That's practically the whole purpose of this platform, to also help you journal your trades. It pulls data from your MT4, MT5, that is the trade history, deposit and withdrawal activity. um, it's also gonna allow you to be able to group those trades together. It's gonna group those trades together if they're taking the same session in the same direction. For example, if you took a buy on Euro USD, executed 3 positions, it's gonna show. Okay, you took them during the same session, so they will appear as one single entry, but if you tap on it, it will show you how many positions you took, and all those. So I know I'm probably explaining a lot. I'll do a demo of this in the future because it's still a feature that we are working on. So there'll be two ways. The first method is a little bit technical, but it's free. That is the good thing about it, and you'll still be able to tag screenshots on your you know entries. So you take a screenshot at the time of entry and at the time of exit, so that you see how your setups normally play, help you master the setups that you normally trade. Okay, so there's the EA method, and then there's the express sync. This one, you just input your credentials and it automatically fetches your data from the cloud. No technical setup needed, but this one will be paid for because the platform that you're using to get that data also needs us to pay some subscription fees. So it will only be fair if somebody pays for it and we handle the cost with the provider on our end. Okay, that is what most brokerage firms and pro firms do, so we'll try to also do the same. And then for copy trading, yeah, people will also be able to link their accounts and copy trades from other profitable traders, of course. And apart from that, we'll also have signal rooms. You guys can see the whole idea from here. With signal rooms, you'll be able to see pricing, if it's premium or free room. Of course, we'll also have the mobile app so that when somebody sends a signal, you automatically get a push notifications right on time, without any delay from the signal room that you've subscribed to or joined. It could be free, so you could browse them there, come click on it, see how many members there are. Win rate, of course, you're gonna be able to track if the signal outcome was a win or a loss. Also, will require the provider to link their own account, okay, so that people can be able to view the journal history of that account. Again, this account is gonna be pulled directly from MT4, MT5, so very low chances that somebody is gonna be able to fake that kind of data. Right now people just fake data. When you go to Instagram or Telegram, you see screenshots, screen recordings, but you're not really sure if it's something that is legit. In addition to that, we will have our own review system that will be tracking the activity, the signal outcomes, from every signal that is shared, just making sure that the signal that was sent was also executed on at least an account of that provider that has been linked to that signal room. All right, we'll also be able to have user reviews, so you could come and see the reviews. Only people who have been in a signal room for some time, like say maybe a month or so, will be able to review, so that we avoid impulsive reviews where somebody just joins, takes the first signal and it's a loss, and they start giving negative reviews. We'll let them take a few trades, a few signals, and then after a series of maybe several signals after a month, they'll be able to review the room, and aspiring people will also be able to come and read through the reviews for the signal room, so that it's a safer space, and we try basically to reduce scams. Okay. Of course, we'll be managing the collections of the signal payments, so that we'll be able to deduct a very small platform fee and leave the rest, much of the rest, to the trader or the provider. And then something else that we'll also be able to do is just manage if somebody's subscription has expired. Our infrastructure will be able to just auto kick or auto manage the room. It denies access upon subscription expiry and grants access upon renewal. Okay. And yeah, payments will be collected, and then the provider can just withdraw from our dashboard. Obviously, we are trying to have it in a manner that you do not need to have the lifestyle flex for you to be able to get bias. If you have the skill, you have the technical knowledge, and you know how to trade, you can come. Of course, we'll have some list of requirements before we let you provide signals to members on our platform, just to do a thorough assessment, and make sure that we are providing somebody who's fit to provide trading services to our clientele on the platform. Okay. What we are trying to do is reduce scams and just create a safe environment for traders. So we also have our partner program. Okay. This is where you get your own link that you can share with people. All right, as you see, it says you can turn your network into partner earnings. So this means that everyone that joins using your signal, not signal, anyone that joins using your link, all right, and then they purchase something from our platform, be it signals, be it payment for the verification badges, because we also have those. I'm gonna show you in a bit, and any other premium thing that we offer on our platform, you'll be able to earn a percentage from that purchase. All right. So what you can earn on, we've tried to show the verification badges, the journals, signal rooms, copy trading services, and any other premium services that we'll introduce in future, of course. And then, yeah, we have the partner programs, terms and conditions. So somebody can read, of course, payouts, partner conduct, changes to program terms, suspension and termination. All of these things are there. So once you accept, you come and check. And then once you join the partner program, you'll be able to see the dashboard from where you can be tracking your metrics freely. You'll be able to see your available balance, whatever you've earned over the time, the referrals that you've brought, how many people, total withdrawn, yeah. And then minimum payouts will be starting at $10. Okay, so somebody can copy their code, or they can just copy and share their link. So you'll be able to see the network and the history and the commissions activity basically. So for example, if you come and that's the referral link. So if somebody clicks and then they come and sign up, of course it's saying like this because I'm already logged in. There is an active session on this browser. So if somebody chooses to sign out, and then of course the newest person will just get the sign up form really. All right. So that is it about the partner program. More details to follow if you keep following along. And then we also have settings from where somebody can come and toggle. Maybe they want a light theme or dark theme. I prefer the dark theme. You can link your trading accounts from here. Of course, there is like a small process that you need to follow. Choose between the two ways of linking the accounts, and then you could also come and just choose and select your preferred trading instruments. For me, I'm selecting Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, and yeah, Audi USD, because those are the pairs that I trade mostly. You see, we've grouped them into major currencies, so minor currencies is also be able to see them. Exotic currencies you can choose from them, commodities, um, indices, crypto. We'll keep adding more and more as time goes by, right? So we also have an AI assistant over here. You could also just ask it questions about our platform. For example, the next thing that I wanted to demo is how to, get a verification badge on our platform. So you could come and type, how do I get a verification badge on your platform, and what are the advantages of having one? All right. So as you can see, the AI will give you some response. Yeah. So it tells you to get a verification badge on TradeWorthy, follow these steps. All right. Go to your account profile. Yes. Proceed to the verification. So it has some, you know, process. But let me just, if you do not know how to do it and you want to read through this thing and know how to do it, you can do that. All right. So for now, you can just come. You could click here, or you could just scroll down and then go to profile. All right, so I'll click here, and then my public profile will be able to load. So as you can see, somebody can add their cover photo, edit any information that they want to edit about themselves, um and then you'll be able to see. This is also somebody that people will be seeing if they come across your post and they want to view your profile. This is what they're going to be able to see. Okay, so it will tell you if you aren't verified yet, so you can also come and get verified. For now, we are still trying to work on this feature because right now it only supports Kenyan citizens in terms of the payment integration to make the purchase. But we are integrating a new payment feature. As I said, I have an engineering team that we are working alongside, and we are working on a feature that is gonna be able to integrate about collections from up to 35 plus African countries as of now. Of course, we are also going to look at the legal compliance in those other countries because we just recently registered our company legally to operate now in Kenya. And we are also going to see how you're going to be able to scale this platform, probably get funding. And yeah, so there's a lot that this platform offers. Again, as I said, you could chat with our AI here and it will be able to guide you through the things you want to do. For example, if come and maybe ask, how do I link my trading account to the platform for journals and analytics? Yeah, it's just gonna give you, that sorry, gonna give you that data direct link, um, so yeah, that is basically almost everything that is there currently. Maybe something else that I can just mention is, if you log out, no, okay, so let me just go to www.tradewell.com. If maybe you want to support us in any way, you could also do that. All right. Okay, you could also do that. You could simply come here, support Treadwell, and then you can donate any amount that you want. Of course, it's in dollars, so you can set custom amount, or you can choose the suggested amounts: $5, $10, $50, or whatever. Because at the end of the day, we have an engineering team that we need to compensate. I have like 6 engineers helping me build this platform right now, and I have like infrastructural costs that I need to pay for generally using all the different services that we are using. So yeah, for supporting, you just come here and then input some data. Okay, let me just input this, and then 07 42 76 40 60, for example, because that's my number. Then yeah, you're gonna be able to see some details. If you want to be private, donating anonymously, so you could opt in if you'd like to be thanked publicly. Phone numbers are must, of course. You could say yes, show my contribution on the donors wall, but this one will only show phone only. You could also choose to show your name. All right, and then you'll be able to continue and then send STK push again. This one only supports donors from Kenya currently, but you're gonna be able to just ensure we get donors from around the world. Okay, so yeah, I canceled the payment, so that's why it's saying that the payment has failed. So if you donate, then you come to the donors wall. If your donation was successful, if you choose to, show your number but be anonymous, it will show this, and then the person reference code, the amount that you donated. And if you choose to let your name be public, it will show your name, of course, a must phone number, the person reference code, and then the amount that you donated. That is it for now. So I'll just probably say goodbye for now. Yeah. So all these other things, you're gonna be able to see them there. All right. We are still improving this platform as time keeps going by. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'm looking forward to seeing you people join, posts, and give feedback on what we're trying to build. Thank you, and have a good one.